That looks great. Now front light gives you really nice colours. So for example, fruit or flowers. We've got Ray leaning against the tree, Jane sitting kind of on her hip, in between Ray's legs, leaning on his knee. Don't you just love taking photos? It's such a great pastime, isn't it? And so rewarding as well. Well, I think so anyway, and I guess you do too if you're watching this. Hi, I'm Bernie Raffi, a professional photographer and teacher based in the UK. In this course on how to become a better photographer, you'll not only learn about your camera's various settings and features, but you'll also learn some of the neat composition, posing and lighting tricks used by professionals to get more creative, dramatic and polished images. You'll learn the professionals' natural lighting tricks for getting more creative images. You can easily see the texture on this wall, but not so much on this one. Find out why and how this tip can improve your landscape photos. Understand some of your camera's settings and features, apertures, shutter speeds, white balance, ISO and focusing. You might think that zooming your lens in and out simply makes your subject larger and smaller. Think again. Discover the secrets of great composition. Stop taking snapshots and give your photos that all-important wow factor. So why not sign up now, realise your potential and become a better photographer. I guarantee you'll see improvements in your photos right from the start.